Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn something about the current affairs which has happened in a few years. From I think we'll start with 17, 18 to 1920 and something like that because we need to cover up certain topics. First we're going to start with apiary on wheels. Apiary it usually means that collection of beehives. So this is an initiative which has been it is a unique initiative which has been started by KVIC, that is Khadi Village Industries Commission. It comes under Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises. It was been inaugurated by Mr. Nitin Gadkari in the year 2017. It is a unique concept which is primarily designed for the rural upliftment of the rural areas by giving by making the youth of this rural sector, means they'll be educated and they need to generate means they need to generate some revenue, something like that. So for that purpose they initiated this program. This main program which has been created by KVSC was to plan, promote, facilitate, organize, and uplift the rural areas. So what do they means? It is one of the toughest means. It is This program involves a lot of mental and laborious work. Upkeep and migration of bee boxes and bee colonies. One of the In one of the competitive exams, they even asked what does a bee box, bee colonies does, means what is the significance of bee colonies. The main significance of bee colonies are the pollination. So after pollination only the means the beehives will grow and bees will come, and so all those things will be related to that part. Note down that part how apiary works, and we'll come to lithium ion batteries now. So lithium ion batteries were first invented by Akira Yoshino in 1985. Normally it has been abbreviated as LIB, means Li in a normal sense and B as in a uppercase. Because I think you might have heard about most about lithium-ion batteries now in trending news, because most of the electric cars and electronic gadgets and electronic instruments devices are running because of lithium-ion batteries, because it charges, right? Means whenever you use it recharges and you can use it. Commonly it has a most of means it has become a day to day in we're using in our day to day life, and it has its uses in aerospace also. So lithium in a sense, to give a functionality or workflow of lithium ion batteries, I would say that lithium ions, they move from negative side to the positive side while discharging and back when charging. It is an intercalated lithium compound at the positive end and graphite at the negative end. It brings a lot of means lithium ion. We are importing lithium ion batteries. I would say that we are one of the largest lithium ion battery importers. We import a lot of batteries from China, Taiwan, and South Korea. Nearly in Clean Technica, they reported that India nearly imported batteries worth of $1.3 billion. That's staggering, and it is 6 times higher than what we used to import in 2014 and 15. So we are becoming one of the largest importers of lithium-ion batteries. We even developing the lithium-ion batteries in our own laboratories, CSIR physical lab batteries, and which is led by Gopu Kumar. In the near future, I even have heard that Rasi laboratories or something like that, Rasi Group, they are even developing the lithium-ion batteries. So in the coming years, we might see the clean energy movement and all those things, which is a part of clean energy initiative. So for today, this is a chapter, and hope you liked it, and stay tuned for the upcoming classes. Thanks.